Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare n8n versus Zapier and figure out which one is better in 2025. If you're searching for the right automation platform to boost your productivity, this guide will make things clear. Let's start with n8n. It's an open source, self-hosted, and gives you full control over your workflows. You can customize integrations, add logic, and connect to almost any API. It's powerful for developers or teams that want flexibility and control without being locked into high cost. Now, Zapier is the most popular automation tool with thousands of ready-made integrations. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you just want to set up automations quickly without touching code. But the downside is pricing. Complex or high-volume workflows can get expensive fast. So which one is better? If you want customization, data ownership, and scalability, go with n8n. But if you prefer simplicity, speed, and pre-built connections, Zapier is the easier choice. Thanks for watching this n8n versus Zapier 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.